Right, pirates, it's Saturday the 10th of March 2018. I know we haven't done any videos for a while, but I've got this new phone / camera that you just can't hear anyone apart from me talking. The microphone is terrible. So it's not that we haven't made them, but it's just that we haven't been able to put any of them out. So anyway, the tide's just coming in at Rye. Me and the captain are not far from the entrance to the harbour. We were going to go to Canberra and row in with the tide, but it started coming in earlier, or we were later. Either or. You have to speak up, remember, Craig?
Yeah, it's coming in now, so we'll have to do something, won't we?
Yep. So we're going to go and
see if we can make it.
Row back to the boat.
All the way.
Excellent.
An hour or so.
So I'll try and keep this going as long as I can, but yeah, bear with us on the video front for now. Are we all set, Captain?
We're all set.
Whoa! That mud is slippery and thick. Oh, that's rank. The kayak might be getting a bit muddy, Craig.
That's proper jank, isn't it?
Disgusting. Right, pirates, well, we're here, so let's, wait, hold on. It's not going to suddenly disappear, is it?
Watch out for the ledge,
Yeah. Right, I'm in. Go in, Captain. Excellent. We've just found this pucker little inlet.
Proper pucker.
Yeah. And this is what we did before with the boys. On a high tide, there's loads of these bits you can't get to. Normally completely inaccessible. But on a high tide, and we're on a really low tide today, aren't we?
It's only just coming in.
And it's just coming in. That's why we've come down here, so we can go back with it. Because we didn't really feel like doing much today. After the week I've had felling trees.
Yeah, that's man, it just disappears around the corner there and all sorts. Looks awesome.
Yeah. We're coming back here another time, aren't we?
Yes, definitely.
But that's where we're going, down there somewhere. Just found another little entrance. So we was in behind there just now. Now we're going in here, see what's in here. There's a big sign that says danger. I think that is short for go and have a look, see what it is. Oh, I can't quite get into the lagoon yet. We're only about 15 minutes away from being able to get in there.
10-15 minutes.
Captain. Oh, we're beached. No, we're not, we're free. Always tempted just to wait for a minute, just so I can go and turn around in there. Yeah. Well.
Ladder.
Yeah, we could get out and go and explore from here.
That's a great tyre.
Right, onwards, Captain.
Onward.
So, guys, we're on seal watch. There's a seal that's just slid down the mud bank. And literally, as I started filming, he went away. He's a little monkey. There he is, just in front of us. Hello, little darling. Came right up to us, little fella. He only came in when he saw us. There he is. Hello, mate. They look like staffies. They look like big old staff heads poking out the water. There he is, look. Hello, mate. Well, he came up just a couple of feet from us then and done a dive. Hello, mate.
I've got no fish, sorry, dude.
Sorry, Seal. Sorry, Seal. That's been me.
Come on, mate.
He just come up and made a little splash around us, a little monkey.
Almost tip us over in a minute.
Oh, no, you better not start ramming the boat. Captain. Oh, right, let's get on with this crazy adventure then, shall we? Right, so we found another little inlet. Craig is going to navigate us in. Wow, it goes all the way around. Check this out. Secret river. You can feel the skeg dragging in the sand beneath us though. Hope the seal doesn't come and attack us and kill us because this is where he lives. Dun dun dun. Captain. Look, we're being hunted down by that seal. He's chasing us, Craig.
Can you see him?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Intruding on his land.
I wonder if this is where he lives.
I think it is.
Uh-oh. Oh, look, he's standing up a bit and everything. His fucking mate ain't round here, is he? I think the seal might actually... Captain, I think the seal's going to kill us.
You won't let us back out.
Yeah, we got to go past the little fucker. Oh, he's hanging around by the entrance. He's waiting for us to come out.
Yeah.
We are so dead. Anyway, I'll keep lookout.
Yep.
I'm standing up. Oh, there's a group of ducks. There they go. Oh, I can see like a sluice gate or something. Well, but, what? There's a shipwreck. There's not much of that left, is there?
There's the bell.
That was the bell. Wow. Awesome. I'm going to have to reverse all the way out there. The road stopped. Should we go back then, Craig? We better go back then, eh? Oh, yeah. Shit. We managed to get out of there, alright. Now we have to see if El Chapo the Seal was going to let us out or not. It's been a nice little impromptu kayak out today. We hadn't intended to do anything at all. Yeah. Summer's coming. We'll be looking to inshore Indolo in the next couple of weeks, I hope. And then we might be able to start thinking about doing some sailing. Yeah. We are coming back to the channel. Little fishing boats parked up. There he is. Alright, sea dog. Alright, you little sea dog. Don't worry, we're not invading your house, mate. We stopped. We've stopped. No, we're out. Oh, phew. Thought that seal would set a trap. Yeah. He'll come up behind us in a minute and go, but there he is. Hello, mate.
We're off now.
We're going home, Seal.
See you later. You can go back in there.
See you, mate. All the best, Seal. What the fuck was that? There's a big splash just. Something just fell out the sky. Landed in the sea. Seal. There he is, following behind us. Give us a little spin round quick, Craig. Oh. Alright. Shit, we got a big fishing boat coming out. Yes! Let's go! Right, there's a big fishing boat coming. We're going to stay close to it and ride some of its waves, I think. Sorry, mate. Don't get too close that you piss him off. There he goes. Give it the beans, brother. There he comes. Oi. Let's get some waves. I know. Here we go. Here they come. Oi. Oh, look at the waves. Look at the waves. Yeah. Hey. That was fun. See you later, boys. Look, there's that seal. He's fucking following us. That seal is following us, man. He's still behind us. There's the old shipwreck. Love that old shipwreck. Sun going down. We're getting ready to. No, it's not. It's just going over the horizon. Whoa, some more big waves. Check this out. You beautiful seal.
Captain.
About time we had a cup of tea, Captain.
Yeah, we should have brought some tea.
Do you reckon the seal will want one?
Yeah.
Do you want a cup of tea?
Hey.
Cup of tea, seal. So, oh? Right, let's get the hell out of here.
Alright.
Hello. So we've just got back to where the boys are. And now we've got two seals. Can you see that? Oh, boys. Lovely seals. Turn us around, Craig. Hello, mate. Where's your mate gone? Your dad's down there. We was talking to him. His name's Pete. That's it, little seal. Where's your little friend gone? Hello. What's your name? Oh, look, there's his mate. Don't crash into your mate. Spin us round a bit, Craig. Wow, I can't believe how close these seals have been to us. They're such little buggers. Where? Oh, in the sun there. Hello, beautiful little seals. Your dad's that way. Pete's down there. Silly seals. Well, anyway, pirates, it's been a lovely little kayak, and we're now, well, we did just turn left into the channel, but then the seals were just like about 3 foot away from us, so we decided to stop and have a chat. Anyway, off back to Indolo now. Yes. Just coming back, and there's some more kayakers. People in that boat. Yes. Isn't it? Ahoy! How you doing, alright? Is that your inflatable one that you said about before? That looks quite good. Oh, there's loads of seals down by the boys there. Yeah, 3 of them. And they come about 3 foot from the boat. He is actually our neighbour. That's the guy that came round with a bottle of rum one night. Nearly back now. Just past White Spice. You see a beautiful little girl named Dorothy of Plymouth. Hey Dorothy. That's where all our adventures began, with that boat. Yeah, that's where it all started. Less than 1 year ago, April 13th last year. And then we come round, and now we've got this one. Indolo of Devon. Look at the arse on that. Look at the arse on that. Greg, is it Pirate's Life?
Pirate's Life for me.
Ah.